and I'm presenting my project for CS312. Um, Let me quickly run my server again and then refresh this. We can start by using a title. Let's do Akali, author Bryant, and then testing. Then I publish this and I get this post. It uses the title, the author, and then the date of creation. Oh, and the content. Let me quickly go over the code. So I'm using this one. This is the HTML or the .egs file, or yeah, that I'm using to run the HTML. It basically sets the title of the website to mini project one. It pulls the CSS from this file path. It prints the header as League of Legends Forum. um, I'm using this form to get the user input. It takes the title, the author, and the content. It has the submit button, which is the thing that basically creates the post. And then here I'm using a for loop to, to go through an array of posts and print all the information in this format. So if I create another one, this is just for purpose of demonstration. It will create another one and put it right under the previous one because it's using indexes to move through those. And then let me quickly go over the main thing. Um, this one just imports the express. This one imports the body parser. This one sets the app as the express. This one sets the engine as EGS. This one basically sets public as the static dictionary that I will be using for getting the CSS and all the other files. I'm using body parser here so that I can use rec from different what is it called, websites or different pages in other pages. I'll show you why. And this I'm using this so that I can run my server in the port 8080. And then here is where things get interesting. So I'm using post. It's an array of basically all the information that I'm getting from the user in the forms. I render the main page, and then in the main page, when the user creates a new form or uses the form, it creates another post, which is this. It gets the title, the content, and the author, and the date of creation, and it just pushes that into the array. And then it goes back to the main page, and it will display the different posts and delete. So in here I can just click this one from this message. If you click OK, it gets rid of the value. It basically searches for the ID using rec. This is what I was talking about. This is what I use body parser. It searches for the ID, gets the ID, and then looks for the post using the ID, and it just gets rid of that. And then on the edit, if I go back to the main page, I can edit this one, change this one to Sergio. I update the knowledge, and it will now display Sergio. This one basically gets this this one gets the information from the previous post, sends it to edit, and then it gets into this, and it basically takes the new information that I put on the form and replaces the previous information with the new information here. Um, for the edit, it's basically the same, what is it called? The same form as I use on the index EGS because I'm just replacing the information in there. I'm also using the body parser so that I can pull the information from here and put it in the previous on the previous post. And this is my CSS so that I can format the website in this shape. Yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for your